Stop. Okay. Alright folks, today we got a new feature. It's called Jake Under the Hood. Alright Jake, what are we doing today?
Fixing the car.
Fixing the car.
Yeah. Isn't this a car?
Is it broken?
I think so.
I'm gonna do the oil change on my truck. I'm gonna do the oil change on Mom's Jeep. Let's do this. Alright Jake, what's the first step?
I don't know, I've never changed oil before.
Alright, we've got a novice on our hands here, but that's okay. Alright, so then we're gonna get those tire chocks in place there. Now we gotta jack the car up. Let's do it. Pull that up! Not a nice sturdy spot. Look at this tough guy lifting the car. Leaf blowers, you gotta love them. Nope. Alright, you can see that we've got the jack stand on this side. Jake's gonna get under there. You're gonna have to lay down on your side, Jake, and get under there so you can get to where it's at. There's no getting around it. You gotta get on your side, lay on your hip. Alright. Alright, so we're good. It's probably best if you don't get right underneath it. Okay, grab that bolt. I got it. Okay, I'm gonna put in this little thing here. Okay, grab it. Nice. Over here, there's one more. And you don't have anything to worry. This thing isn't gonna fall off on you just yet.
What? Just yet?
Now, they're all along the perimeter back here. So let's start with this one right here. That's fine. It's an impact wrench. All right, you're good. Now let it drop out. All right, move to the next one, which is back there a little bit. Sorry, it's good. Didn't hit me in the face. I thought it was gonna hit me in the noggin. All right.
Oh wow, that is kind of heavy.
Where'd that other one go? Did you pick it up and put it in there?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, pull that out. You have to stand up.
Okay.
Just pull it. Doesn't matter if it scrapes something. What looks like a heart? Oh, the oil filter there. Okay, so that we're going to take out. We're going to take that out second. First, we have to drain. We have to drain out the oil. So this right here is the oil pan. This is where the majority of your oil is collected when the.
Oh yeah,
and
then
that's
you
where it
take
sits.
this out, and then it like goes like.
That's right, because you've watched me before. So this is the oil plug. So we're going to take the oil plug off, and we're going to drain it into the pan. So let's sit down. Whoa!
It's a good thing I was
Putting
there.
your oil plug back in there. Never, ever, ever put your oil plug back in with an impact wrench. Tighten it by fingers and then just use a wrench or a socket wrench. Some way, but don't put it in with the impact wrench, because you strip the threads on your oil plug, you're making a big mess for yourself. So righty tighty, lefty loosey, right?
Yeah.
From the bottom of the wrench.
Wait, isn't that right?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Whoa, I almost got tagged in the face. All right, it was a little bit tougher. All right, finish loosening it up a bit more. You loosen it with your fingers now? All right, stop. Stop. Okay. All right, we're all right, get the pan, dude. Jeez. Let the plug drop in there, but just get your hand out of the way when it starts coming in out because you don't want it to splash everywhere. Nice job.
Ooh, sorry.
You did good. It's perfect. Wow, it's going right in the hole. All right, so we're gonna let that drain out, and then once that's done draining, we're gonna watch it while it sort of comes down a little bit.
Satisfying.
All right, so now you're gonna do the oil filter. Don't take it all the way off. Just get it loosened up, and then we'll adjust where the pan's gonna be so that it can catch all the oil. Okay, so it's loose. Oh, you're tightening it up, T-Buzz. Flip that switch the other way. There you go. Don't take it all the way. Now that it's loosened up, you should be able to just twist it off with your hand. You take the filter off, it's going to run all over, but just sort of tip it down into the pan here. You're going to use your right hand. You've got more dexterity in your right hand. Do it quickly before it becomes a giant mess.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, dang it. Oh my gosh. Why is... Oh man, I thought I hit you.
Yep, see, it becomes a giant mess. It's all good. I'll let you sort of make a mess of it anyways, just because. Turn this upside down like that, so it's actually emptying the oil into the pan. All right, now that we've got the oil filter off and it's completely drained out, we're gonna get out the new oil filter. So take it out, Jake.
Okay.
So we're gonna take a little bit of oil on our finger, and we're actually gonna rub it on this rubber gasket here. This is a must. Every time you do the oil change, you're gonna put a little bit of old oil on that rubber gasket. All right, so you see there's a bit of oil coming around out the filter area there. I don't know what that's called. Okay, we're just gonna wipe it off a bit. Okay, get your oil filter, bud.
My oil filter?
Yeah.
It's your oil filter, right?
All right, go ahead and put it on there. Gently screw it. That righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Make sure you're not cross-threading.
Cross-thread?
Yeah. Hold it as straight as possible. There you go. There you go. Now turn it. I mean, it's going to be hard for somebody like you to cross-thread that, but... All right, come on. Now you got it. You can let your hand off and turn really fast with your right hand, the one that you've got more dexterity. All right. Perfect. All right, good. Wipe up any excess oil. All right, are we done?
No.
All right.
Oh, I don't know.
No? What do we have to do now?
I have to empty the oil.
We got to put the new oil in first, nerd boy.
Oh yeah.
And we have to put this little cowl on underneath too.
Oh yeah.
All right, it's time to fill this thing up. So you undo that. Need some help? Or the glove's kind of oily?
No, I'm just weak.
That too. And so
You know what I mean.
I like live lessons and all, but I'd rather not have a ton of oil on the inside of the car. So I'm going to get this started for you. So see how I bring it down towards here like this? Get it close to the funnel. We'll pour it in. Go ahead and put that back on there. And this job's just about done. Now I can do the truck. Lift it up. There you go. Keep going. Keep that rolling start going. And set it to the... Yeah, go. I'll just pull it to the side over there. Now you're going to gently twist it to the left just gently and watch it lower.
Oh
I said gently.
my gosh. Sorry.
All right, pull the jack out.
Scared me. I'm a big boy now.
Let's move the jack. Well, Jake, did you learn anything?
Yeah,
What'd you learn?
I learned how to change oil.
All right,
Change
good job.
the oil.